Looking for ways to make money online? Today we'll be talking about the top 3 side hustles, where your computer is your ticket to an additional income stream. The digital age has opened up a world of opportunities, allowing us to leverage our skills and passions to earn money without ever leaving the comfort of our own homes. The beauty of side hustles lies in their flexibility. They can be as big or as small as you want them to be, fitting seamlessly into your schedule and lifestyle. It could be something you do for a few hours a week, or a venture you pour your heart and soul into. From freelancing to online teaching, the options are virtually limitless. And the best part? You're not just earning money, you're also learning, growing, and paving your way to financial independence. So, buckle up and get ready, because in this video, we'll delve into 3 side hustles that you can do from your computer, heading into 2024. The first side hustle we're going to delve into is being a virtual assistant. Now, what is a virtual assistant? It's essentially offering your administrative and technical skills or services to multiple clients rather than being employed by a single company. This could range from managing emails, scheduling appointments, social media management, to even customer service. The opportunities are abundant. To jumpstart your virtual assistant journey, you need to pinpoint your marketable skills. What are you proficient at? What tasks do you relish doing? Once that's clear, the next move is to build a compelling profile on virtual assistant platforms. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer are excellent starting points. An expertly compiled profile will exhibit your skills, experience, and portfolio to potential clients worldwide. Acquiring clients might feel overwhelming initially, but don't worry. Start by bidding on petite projects that align with your skills. As you complete projects and accumulate positive reviews, you'll gradually establish a reputation and entice more clients. Remember, quality work is essential to secure repeat business recommendations. Now, let's discuss the perks of being a virtual assistant. The most noticeable one is versatility. As a virtual assistant, you can work when and where you prefer. You're not confined to a conventional work schedule or a physical office. You can operate from a cafe, a park, or even the serenity of your own home. Another significant benefit is the potential for substantial earnings. Unlike a salaried job, your income has no ceiling. The more tasks you undertake, the more you earn. And as you accumulate experience and construct a robust portfolio, you can demand higher rates for your services. But perhaps the most significant benefit of being a virtual assistant is the autonomy it provides. You have the power to select the tasks you embark on, the clients you collaborate with, and the course your career sails. You're your own manager, and that's an incredibly liberating feeling. Being a virtual assistant, you have the power to choose who you work with, what tasks you undertake, and how much you earn. Our second side hustle is a more tech-oriented one, AI content creation. Picture this. You're at the forefront of the technological revolution, creating content that's powered by artificial intelligence. Sounds thrilling, right? Well, it is, and it's also a rapidly growing field with a high demand for talent. AI content creation involves using artificial intelligence to generate content. This can range from social media posts to blog articles and even scripts like this one. The potential here is immense. Businesses are constantly on the lookout for ways to streamline their content creation, and AI provides an efficient and cost-effective solution. So how do you dive into this field? First, you'll need to learn about AI. There are countless online courses available that can help you understand the basics of artificial intelligence and how it's used in content creation. Don't worry, you don't need to be a tech whiz to get started. A basic understanding will be enough to kickstart your journey. Once you've got the knowledge, it's time to start creating. There are various AI tools out there that can help you generate content. Experiment with these tools, understand their capabilities, and create a portfolio of AI-generated content. This will showcase your skills and understanding of the technology. But creating is only half the battle. You'll also need to market your services. This could involve reaching out to businesses directly, promoting your services on social media, or even setting up a website where potential clients can see your work. Remember, the key is to showcase how AI content creation can add value to a business. Now, let's talk benefits. As an AI content creator, you have the potential for high earnings. But it's not just about the money. You'll also be staying ahead of the curve. gaining invaluable skills in a field that's set to revolutionize various industries. Plus, who wouldn't want the bragging rights of working with AI? As an AI content creator, you can ride the wave of technology and earn good money while doing it. The third side hustle we'll look at is online teaching. Now, this is a gig that has seen an exponential rise in popularity, and for good reason. The pandemic has shifted the world's perspective on traditional schooling and ushered in a new era of digital learning. This shift has opened up a world of possibilities for those of you who have a knack for teaching and a desire to share your knowledge. Online teaching can take various forms. You could choose to tutor one-on-one, or you could create an entire course on a subject you're passionate about. This could range from academic subjects like math or English to more hobby-based topics like guitar playing or even cooking. So how do you dive into this side hustle? The first step is to identify your area of expertise. This is crucial because it's what you'll be teaching. What are you passionate about? What do you have a deep understanding of? Once you've chosen your subject, the next step is to create your course or set up your tutoring services. There are a plethora of platforms out there that can host your course, or you could even set up your own website. Now, once you have your course or tutoring service ready to go, the next step is marketing. Remember, you're not just a teacher now, you're also an entrepreneur. You need to get the word out about your services. Utilize social media, email marketing, or even word of mouth. The key is persistence and creativity. The benefits of online teaching are numerous. It offers flexibility, as you can choose when and where you want to teach. It gives you the opportunity to help others learn and grow, which can be incredibly rewarding. And let's not forget, it has the potential for good earnings. So if you've always had a passion for teaching, or you're just looking for a side hustle that can bring in some extra income while allowing you to work from home, online teaching might just be the ticket. With online teaching, you can share your knowledge with others and earn money at the same time. So, we've explored 3 side hustles that you can do from your computer. We dove into was the expansive realm of virtual assistants, an opportunity where you can capitalize on your specific skills or expertise. We stepped into the unique world of AI content creation. Not merely a future concept, it's very much an opportunity of the present. And finally, we traveled into the lively domain of online teaching. With the current shift towards remote learning, the demand for online teachers has rocketed skyward. Each of these side hustles offers unique benefits, but they all share some common themes. They provide a means to earn extra income, allow for flexible working hours, and most importantly, they enable you to leverage your skills and passions. They're proof that with a computer and an internet connection, you can create income streams that weren't possible a few decades ago. But remember, the success of your side hustle depends on your dedication and effort. It's not just about making money, it's about providing value, honing your skills, and continuously learning and adapting in this ever-evolving digital landscape. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you all on the next one.